Assemble the shaft into the rotor. We specified 11-inch shaft. This is 12-inch. This is right off the shelf, standard shafting. 12-inch is okay. It's just the shaft will stick out a little more than it needs to. But we've marked the position where the rotor has to go on the shaft, and apply the bonding compound, which is this Loctite 648 retaining compound. It's made for assembling things just like this. They put a lot of motors together with this stuff, and it's very strong in a tight-fitting metal-to-metal application. It's very strong. So shake this up a little bit, and we're going to put a little bit of activator on here to clean this. The activator is actually just alcohol and yeah, what is that? Acetone, yeah. Okay, so we'll put some of that on, and then put the compound on and assemble it. Got a very slight taper, so one side it slips in easier than the other side, so you want to start at the tapered end. I can't tell now. That one goes right in. It's a little tighter, so we'll go in this way. Start. And build up a little ridge of adhesive here.
You should set the date.
Okay, put a little bit on the shaft. Probably way too much. Twist it into the mark. Gently. And now I'm just testing to see if I can actually put it in position in between the pole pieces. So there's 4 of them, so we have to try all 4 positions. And this looks pretty good. If I can rotate the rotor in there at all, on all 4 of them, then we're pretty close. Because it could just knock into the stator and not turn any further. All the way through. And it's close. It's already close. So yeah, this is not bad. sure the gap's the same in the back and in the front. And it's pretty close now.
And the same on all four.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
totally changed today on the
Beautiful. Oh, well done, Ray! Whoa.